What is up, my friends? My name is Lukas Adam, and today we will be reviewing a website of one of my group members. So, for those of you who don't know, I have a group, a Facebook group called Web Design and SEO, and I will put a link in the description down below. If you have any websites that you would like me to review as well, just send me the link, and I will happily create a YouTube video for you guys. Otherwise, have fun and see you next time. Alright, everyone. So, this is a website of one of my group members called overseasstudentsaustralia.com, and what I really like about this website is the use of illustrations. So these illustrations are pretty well made, and I think it was a good choice to use them. Also, the design is very clear and very simple, but let's try to improve it now. So the major thing I would suggest is to add more content, right? Because overall it feels like there's too much white space in here. So for example, this hero section takes 100% of the viewport height, but most of the area here is just white. So what you could do is to add some sort of pattern to the background and maybe try to add some text to this paragraph here. Another thing I should mention is that when it comes to web design, try to make a bold difference between all the elements. So there should always be a clear hierarchy. So what you could do is try to make this title a little bit bigger. Actually, let's try this. Let's select the title. Font size, let's try 48 pixels, and now let's increase the line height, maybe something like this. Alright, okay, so this section here looks good, but you should change the text on these cards, because currently the text is the same on each of those. Where to study in Australia, and again try to add more content in here. And maybe since you are already using illustrations here and also here, maybe you could swap these for icons, because icons usually do a better job explaining stuff like this. Okay, so for these tags here, I'm not sure if there's enough contrast, so maybe try to use this background color instead. So let's inspect this element again. Let's select the background color, and maybe this should maybe this will work better for you. And for the buttons, maybe get rid of the box shadow and try to apply the box shadow when someone is hovering over the buttons. So let's inspect this element as well. Let's select the button and get rid of the box shadow. Okay, perfect. So again, try to add more content in here, and another thing you could do to make this more appealing is to add the background of this section to one of those. This way you add more consistency to your design. And for these reviews, maybe you could add some sort of pictures to the quotes, and also try to maybe get rid of this box shadow as well. And let's try this now. So the box shadow is applied right here, and yeah, so in my opinion this looks much better. And you can try to increase the font size of this title right here. Let's try 36, like this. Perfect. And yeah, so what I really like is the footer. It's clean, it's simple, and we can find all the information in here. So good job creating this. Overall, like I said, I love the use of illustrations, but one alternative, since you are talking about such a beautiful country like Australia, try to add some sort of pictures to the website, right? Because I think this could work very well. Always remember your goal. You want people to study in Australia, you want to make them feel happy about visiting Australia, and you could achieve this very easily by applying some beautiful pictures of this country. So yeah, that's it. I hope this helps a little bit, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Until next time, see you. Bye bye.